Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a signature line into your Google Docs. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is you just need to open your Google Docs, okay? So once you open your Google Docs, so we're going to insert a signature line in this line from here or in this specific area. So what we can do is we need to look at the ribbon at the top and you will find all these tabs. Now we need to click on the insert button or the insert tab, and here you'll find all of these options, but we need to look for drawing, and then for drawing you have here for new and from drive. Now we need to click on the new, the plus sign symbol, and this small window will appear. Okay, so in this window we need to locate the line, this one line, click on that. Click on this drop down arrow and you have to select your line. Now let's just choose the first one. Then here you will notice this plus sign symbol. So we just need to simply draw a line. Okay. Now once done, you just need to simply click on save and close. And that's it. You have just added a signature line in your Google Docs, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.